What up, gang? We are back, and tonight is, what are we calling this night?
Flash night.
Flash night, dude. Not a flashlight, not a flashlight, but a flash night. You guys can see we got our BT, you call that flashes here. We're currently pulling data off of the bikes right here. This process takes roughly about 10 to 15 minutes to pull, but we're gonna be sending the stock maps that we have here to BT Moto, Brentuning, and then they're gonna send us back actually the maps according to what we have on the bikes. So obviously we have to kind of tell them what kind of exhaust we put on these bikes, which this one here has the full race line Aprilia on this particular RS660. Yeah, Jorge did a great job on that particular exhaust. You guys can see how beautiful that is. And then of course, on the RSV4 1100 factory, we put the CRT. Yeah, SC Project CRT on this one here, and this is a nasty sounding bike. So we're just gonna go ahead and go through this process here and see exactly what the post-tune bike will ride like. Me and Jorge will be testing these out exclusively in the back roads there, so it's gonna be super fun to be able to go out there and see the difference from the stock rides, but so far, so flipping good. And we're gonna start this particular process right now. Yeah, he's gonna turn it on and we're gonna get it working here. But pretty straightforward, guys. You know, one thing that Brentuning does, it's really nice, is they give you these boxes, obviously, and it has the bike assigned. So of course, RS660. And keep in mind, you cannot have or use the same box on each one. That was for the RSV4. So each of these readers or flashers are assigned to the bike by VIN. So I wanted to let you guys know that. They were really nice too. They gave us a code because we have multiple bikes being flashed, and we were able to get a discount on these particular flashes. Thanks to the guys over at Brentuning. We will definitely be shouting them out on multiple videos once this thing is done. So other than that, you can see we are close to pretty much finished on this particular ECU read, and then we're gonna go and upload it on the software. So we'll go to the next stage here, and I'll show you what that looks like here in just a couple of minutes. So far, so good. We're starting this process on the RS660, but pretty stoked about what this is gonna do. Hopefully you guys saw the last video where the bike died. I think it's just super lean right now, and hopefully the map that we're gonna put on this one here will be a lot richer, which will keep the actual thing. Again, I got gas at a freaking country store, and I don't know if the 93 there was any good, so might be the fuel too, guys. So we can't really blame the bike. It did start up, it hasn't had a problem since. So anyway, we'll keep it at that for now.